Hey mga ka-poultry, mga ka-chicken, mga boys. Welcome back to Austin's World channel. And today we have an essential topic to discuss that is crucial for the health and well-being of our game fowl. This is deworming. Kung ikaw ay isang breeder o interesado sa tamang pangangalaga ng manok, nasa tamang lugar ka. At sama-sama nating alamin ang buwan ng deworming para sa ating alagang manok. Ang deworming ay isang mahalagang bahagi sa pangangalaga sa ating mga game fowl chickens. Parasites can affect our chickens' overall health, leading to issues like weight loss, decrease in egg production, at mas malubhang mga sakit. By establishing a monthly deworming routine, we can prevent these problems and ensure our game fowl live happy and healthy lives. Alright, let's get hands-on. May dala akong manok na game fowl, and I'll walk you through the deworming process. Remember, using the right deworming medication and following the proper procedures are the key to successful deworming session. As we go through the deworming process, here are the tips to keep in mind. Remember to consult with a veterinarian or a poultry health professional for a specific advice tailored for your flock's needs. Ito'y aking pag-share lamang based from my experience dito sa ating munting backyard farm. Tip number 1, schedule regular deworming. Establish a monthly deworming scheme. Consistency is the key to maintaining the health of your game fowl. Number 2, keep an eye on your chicken's behavior. Baka nagkakaroon na sila ng lost weight or somehow they reduce egg productions that could indicate a need for deworming. Number 3, humingi ng professional na payo upang matukoy kung anong pinaka-epektibong gamot sa bulate. Para sa iyong partikular na sitwasyon, maaring depende ang pagpili ng tamang gamot. Number 4, you need to consider also rotating the different types of dewormers upang maiwasan ang pagbuo ng mga resistensya ng parasites. At number 5, this is very important that you need to follow the dosage instructions. Administer the dewormer according to the recommended dosage for the weight of the chickens. Ang sobrang doses ay maaring makasama at ang kulang na dosage naman ay maaring maging hindi epektibo. Next is, you need to maintain the clean living conditions. Of course, you need to clean regularly the coops, yung ating mga kulungan, yung feeding areas, yung water sources, to minimize the risk of worm infestations. Of course, it is also important to maintain records of deworming dates, types of dewormers used, and any observation regarding the flock's health. Ang impormasyon ito ay maaaring maging mahalaga for future management decisions. These tips will help ensure that your deworming sessions are not only effective, but also stress-free for your game fowl. Before we wrap up, gusto ko sanang marinig ang inyong mga tanong. If you have any questions about deworming, o kung nais ninyong ibahagi ang inyong sariling mga karanasan, drop them in the comments below. Let's build a community of game fowl enthusiasts who can learn and grow together. Thank you, mga boys.